Asewanacha bālānaṃ, not to associate with fools. Someone who does not care about ethics is called a fool. He or she does not observe precepts. Such a person is a fool since led astray by shameless and immoral behavior, leading to suffering in this life and the next. Fools always engage in wrong views and practice the wrong paths. They neglect doing wholesome deeds and are unconcerned about the correct path. In the ultimate sense, not to associate with fools means to remain aloof from foolishness. On the other hand, if we do not meet wise people, we should be on our own. It is the best way. Not only should we always focus on and encourage wise conduct, but also we should refrain from foolish conduct in any way.